I take it from our conversations, especially our earlier conversations. One of the first things you asked me was, do I ever rest? Do I know how to de-stress? And I remember that question caught me so off guard. I didn't know how to answer because I think I'm the type of person who's always go, go, go. You made me realize how important rest and de-stressing and recovery are to my overall skin health. Can you talk more about that?
Yeah, it's really important to invest, take time for rest and recovery in order to lower your stress. Without replenishment, skin cannot thrive and the skin health is compromised. And stress is a high trigger in acne. There are 4 things I've encouraged you to do, and we can speak about your personal experience, but high quality sleep is where we start. And then some stress relieving techniques, stress management techniques like self-compassion, for example, or mindfulness, also movement and exercise. So these are the 4 key elements which are important in this theme.
But I feel like there's still like so many, especially women who feel guilty taking this rest and like recovery and like taking time for themselves. But I feel that it's also important to stress that, you don't need a lot of time to do this. You can have small pockets of rest and recovery, right, doctor?
Yes, I believe taking 20 minutes out of your busy schedule and truly structuring the day so that you understand when you pause and reflect is really important. Not all the time being in the go-go mode. But we also spoke about women and active women and busy women not being able to meditate. So they could rest and recover through different activities like sport or singing, for example. These are beautiful kind of shifting the mode of the brain from the busyness into something else, into a hobby.
And I think out of all the tips that you gave me personally, you also told me that what do you do when you first wake up? Like, do you work right away? Maybe try to take a pause first. Don't reach out for your phone. And that's already like your first rest and recovery phase. And that really helped me as well because it made me more conscious of my actions. Because, as a busy woman, you tend to forget. You're really less mindful of these things. So that was really something that helped me. And I hope that it would help other people as well. Those little pockets they contribute so much.
And self-care is really important, and we rarely give it the weight, give it the importance it deserves. We see to other people first, and obviously when we have children we have to, but I feel we need to recharge these batteries for ourselves, and the skin health will also improve if we are mindful and if we rest well.
Let's talk about sleep. Why is it so important for skin health?
So sleep is one of our main restorative processes, and we know our stress levels are much higher when we do not have a high quality sleep. So high quality sleep is one of the health measures, one of the outcomes which really speak about the health of our body. And we all know how we look when we are tired in the morning, but our skin is also affected, mainly the skin health and skin barrier recovery.